So this is our unboxing of your new MacBook Air. So basically, once you've taken the lid off your MacBook Air, you'll see the MacBook in there. So it can be a bit tricky to get out sometimes. Sometimes if you just press in one corner and the other corner will pop up a little bit and you can grab the corner in there. So taking it out of the box, you can see underneath here we've got our cables and our power adapters and some documentation in here. There's a little Apple sticker in there if you want to grab that, stick it on something if you really want to. Other than that, you've got, the main thing is your power cable. So inside here there's two options for your power cable. There's the main power unit, looks like this, and there is some packaging on there, you can take that off. But basically you've got this plug, and it slides down on there and clicks into place, and that's just your standard plug into the wall. And inside here is, I'll just take this packaging off, there's the power unit there, and the power unit at the end of it has a little plug which fits into the side of the MacBook, which I'll show you in a second. There's also a little clip on here, and that's for when you're winding it back up. That helps you clip it all nice and neatly together. Now, if you want something that's a bit longer, I personally prefer to have it a bit longer for when you've got the MacBook on a desk and you want to plug it in. So I can use this longer adapter here. It slides on the same as the other one, clicks into place, and now I've got this longer power unit here. So that's quite long. So they're your two options for plugging into power. So once you want to pack up all of this stuff, I guarantee you won't be able to get it all wrapped up the same way it was when you got it in the box. So the best idea here is to use the inbuilt storage system that's in there. So I'm just going to get rid of this little bit of packaging that's on here. There we go. Now, on the little unit here, on the side, you'll see these two little wings, and they open up like that and like that. And that's two of them. Then obviously you can then wrap your lead around there until it's all nice and wrapped around there. That's where that little clip comes in handy. This little clip here will connect onto the rest of the cable and keep it locked in place. Then if you want, you just take that part off. You've got this and your cables, and then you've got a lot more chance of getting all of this back into the box then. So that's how you connect your power up to the MacBook in terms of the options for leads. Connecting it up to the MacBook is on the side here. Now, on the side of the MacBook, there's a little strip of what looks like gold dots, and basically, if I get my power unit, and it's magnetized, so you'll feel it sort of snap into place. And then you'll see there's a light on top there, and that light will show you whether it's charged or not. Green will mean it's fully charged, and red will mean it's charging. So that's how you connect that onto there. It doesn't matter if you do it that way or over the other way, it just goes in either way. And that's how the power is connected to the actual machine. Along there as well, we've also got some other ports. So here is a USB port. Most of you will be familiar with those, plugging in hard drives and flash drives and things like that. Here is your headphone jack. Then on the other side, it's the back. On the other side, we've got a memory card stick slot there for putting in memory cards from cameras and things like that. Another USB port, and then this is a Thunderbolt connector, which is the connector that you use to connect up to an external screen or a projector or something like that. So that's up to another display. You'll need an adapter for that, and we'll look at that next year. So other than that, that's all of the ports on your MacBook. Then it's just a case of logging in. And to log in, first of all, you'll need to open your MacBook, and I'll show you how to log in and shut down. Okay, so once you've got your screen open, now it's time to log in. If you don't see this screen here with a bit of a login box there, then perhaps you need to move the trackpad or click on the spacebar or you may even need to press the power button, which is in the top right hand corner here, just above the delete button. So once you're at this screen, all you need to do is click into the box that's here and type in the password, which I've already given all of you when you picked up your devices. If you don't remember that or can't find it, then give us an email and I'll send it to you. So all you do is type in your password, and you end up at the main desktop screen. So that is how you get onto the MacBook to get started exploring. Now when you're finished, there's several things you can do to shut it down or log off. The easiest one is just close the lid. That will log it out. Alternatively, you can go up the corner here to where the little Apple symbol is on the top left-hand corner of the toolbar. Click that, and then towards the bottom you'll have sleep, restart, shut down, and log out. So if you want to turn it completely off, you'll hit shut down. If you want to restart the computer for whatever reason, then restart will be your option. Sleep is the same as closing the lid. Or if you just want to keep the computer open but you just want to log you out, then you'd press the log out option. So I'm just going to hit the shut down, and it's asking me, am I sure? I click shut down, and that's it. It's now shut down. I can close the lid, get on with my day.